Okay, welcome back. Now, as you can see, we are transferring files using a FTP server, and this is going into a domain name. Now, I have about 3,124 files left to go, and if you haven't got this far, feel free to go back a couple videos and catch up. But for the meantime, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, so while that's doing that, we have started to create a database. Okay, now let's see if this database is all set up. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm probably going to go over to, let's go over to 4, which is the last page. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so as you can see, it is now set up, and what I want to do is I'm going to highlight that. Okay, and I'm going to log in. Now the reason we did this is because we're transferring a website, and we need to take all the contents that were added to the other website, to the site, back onto the new hosting account. Okay, normally when you sell a site and you have you want to transfer it or something like that, this is the process. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that, copy it, and I'm going to go to my admin here. This is pretty simple, very simple. And next step, I'm going to paste that in, and then I'm going to use my password that I created in the last video. And I'm going to hit go. Alright, so now this is your database access panel here. Okay, so over to the left you're going to have two options. It's going to say the name of your database with a 0, or it's going to say information scheme, and what you want to do is click on your domain name with the 0. We're going to click on that, and we're going to import the database file, so that way everything will go back to normal once the files here are all set up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the file, and I'm going to go to this file here, and I'm just going to add OK, and you can see it showed up here. Oh, I clicked it. Hold on, let me go back and add it. So I'm going to add that again. See, I was trying to highlight it, but I guess you can't. And then down here at the bottom right, you're going to see a button that says go, and you're going to want to hit that button, and it's going to take a couple minutes, but it's going to upload that file to your database. Okay, now that's a lot of files. 6,597 files were just added to my database, and that's pretty much how you do that. Now the next step is, once these files are done transferring, we're going to need to go into the WP config file, and we're going to have to add this information to that file. So I have about 2,580 files still left to transfer. So I'm going to see you on the next video, and in that video I'm going to show you how to add your database information properly into your WP config file. And I'll see you then. Alright?